To control the Aputure MC lights with the app, honestly, it's really well made. Most of the time I think the apps of things like that works like crap, but that's not the case. For the Aputure MC, it works perfectly. So the app you will need is Sidus link. You can find it on the iOS store and the Android store. So you just press on it and that will look exactly like that the first time you will turn on the application with your brand new lights. So you're gonna hit the scene number 1 and you're gonna hit the plus button and you only need to turn on your lights. That's it, and it will show up just like that, as quick as that. So you select your both lights and you hit the setup button. And it will take a few seconds and your lights will be ready to control. Hit OK, and like I said, it's now controllable. That's it. Now you can name your lights to make it easier. So if I click on that one, you see I press on the button on the left of the name. Well, I can identify this light, so I'm gonna hit the 3-dot menu, rename, and this one will be 1. And I could set a sticker with the big one, and that one is the 2. So again, rename and say 2. All right. Now, as you can see, they are at a different color. That's because I changed the color before I begin the video by controlling it manually. I can show you in the video on the upper right corner how to control it manually. Now, if I want to change the color of the light number 1, I can come in the light number 1 and change the intensity or the color. Just like that. Or let's say I'll set that light like this. Come back. Okay, so as you can see, they are this one is cooler, this one is warmer. If I don't know what color it is, it's not very precise, but it's, well, it's almost perfect. So if I select the camera number 2 and I select right there the picker, that will enable the camera on my phone, and I will point just like that the camera, the other lights, and to a pickup. And as you can see, it's not perfect, but it's not too far. Or I can just take both of them and select the temperature I really want. Well, actually I'm on that one, so if I take all fixtures, well, now I can set them to the exact same temperature and adjust them at the same time. With the intensity, you can go at quarter, half, and full. And you can go to 3200, 4000, or 5600, or you adjust it just like that. Also, you can come into color and pick the color you want. So green, red, blue, whiter. You can choose the saturation by going from the white to the red or to the blue. And the intensity again. Yeah, and you've got the effect. For this part, I want to show it to you with my face because I think it looked more realistic. So let's go with the fireworks. There is the paparazzi option. So yeah, many people take pictures of myself. yeah, again, you can choose the frequency, so less picture, yeah, a lot less picture. And you can choose the temperature, so very hot flashes or really cold one, or right in the middle. You can choose the intensity, so hey, that's a lot of picture. Yeah. And then you got the party lights. Yeah, just switching colors. I like that one, the cop car, and I will set it to red and blue. Yeah, it really looked like if there is cops around here. And you can choose the color, so actually I've got red and blue, which is the cop car in my region, and you can have blue. I think in Europe police are only blue, so yeah, depending of where you are. Red, maybe if you want to do a firefighter. And you also got blue and white. I don't know where police cars are blue and white. You got red, blue, and white. And you can choose one flash. Let's return to that red and blue. I like that one. Yeah, also interesting. 2 flashes. 3, 4, 5 flashes. Or you also got cycle. Yeah, tons of option. You also got the fire option. So yeah, looks like maybe it's a little, whoa, that's a big fire. Let's look like that. Yeah, standing here, marshmallow, and I'm in front of a fire. Really look like that. And whoa, there's wind taking in the fire. Whoa, you know, I play with it. You got warmer, natural, or cooler. What kind of fire do you like? There is the pulsing. Interesting. Got the TV. That's a bright TV. So let's go like that. And yeah, I'm in front of a TV. And you know, when you're in front of a TV, that's the lighting of a TV. When we switch scene or camera to another, lighting is different. So yeah, that's look like that. You also got lightning. Gonna increase the intensity. And for that one, if you think it's not blinking fast enough, you have the trigger. So you get the lightning exactly when you want. That's what I do actually. I press the trigger. I think it's look pretty realistic. We've got the fault bulb. So yeah, that's pretty much what you can do with the app. I think it works really well. Normally those kind of apps, I think they just work like crap, but that one works seriously very fine. I like it a lot. So I hope you enjoy, and if you don't already have your Aputure MC, you can order it from the link in the description.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!